Multi-jurisdictional means pertaining to or involving more than one jurisdiction, such as multiple states, countries, or levels of government. It applies to situations where a matter crosses state or national boundaries, requiring consideration of laws and regulations from different authorities. Examples include cross-border legal cases, data sharing between multiple states, and practice of law programs for attorneys licensed in other states. Examples include cross-border legal cases, data sharing between multiple states, and practice of law programs for attorneys licensed in other states. Examples include cross-border legal cases, data sharing between multiple states, and practice of law programs for attorneys licensed in other states. Research. Researchers often perform multi-jurisdictional analysis, which involves compiling information on a topic across various states, a practice commonly known as 50-state surveys, notes the Georgetown Law Research Guides. Multi-jurisdictional litigation and investigations. Cases that involve parties, events, or evidence across multiple legal jurisdictions. Common examples include product liability. Lawsuits arising from a defective product that harms consumers in different states or countries. Data breaches. Violations impacting people in various locations, leading to lawsuits across different jurisdictions. Environmental incidents. Cases like oil spills that affect multiple areas and are often combined into multi-district litigation, MDL, for efficiency. Government and finance. Grants. Government agencies, such as the U.S. Department of Transportation, may encourage multi-jurisdictional groups, e.g., several communities or agencies, to apply for grants jointly, with a lead entity managing the funds and administration. Taxation. The Multi-State Tax Commission, MTC, provides a uniform sales and use tax resale certificate that businesses can use to purchase goods tax-free for resale across multiple states that accept the form, simplifying interstate commerce. The initial pleasantries gave way to business. Martin was enthusiastic and ready to place a large order. "There's just one thing," Olivia interjected politely. "Before we can move forward, I'll need your completed uniform sales and tax resale certificate. It's required to document that these goods are being purchased for resale and not for consumption, and it protects both our companies from unnecessary tax exposure." Martin hesitated. "Is that really necessary? We're moving fast on launches in Michigan, Illinois, and Indiana, and paperwork slows things down." Olivia explained, "Absolutely necessary. And here's why. The certificate is recognized by most states and is the only way we can process your order without charging sales tax upfront. Without it, Evergreen would be audited potentially down the line and assessed uncollected sales tax, which could include penalties and interest. Your company would face similar risks if you later resell without proper documentation." Slightly impatient, Martin responded, "All right. But does it work for multiple states, or do we need individual certificates for each?" Olivia smiled. "That's the advantage of the multi-jurisdictional format. It covers numerous states. Just indicate your register numbers for each relevant state on the appropriate lines. It's a one-and-done task for most transactions." The following morning, Evergreen's compliance officer, Ramona Bailey, called Olivia to praise her diligence. In the past, a slip in collecting such documentation had led to an audit nightmare for a competitor. Regulatory compliance wasn't glamorous, but, as Olivia had shown, it protected the business and built trust with partners. By week's end, the completed certificate was on file, and trucks rolled out bearing fresh Focus's order. There was no last-minute scramble, no legal headache, just smooth, compliant business growth. In the increasingly complex world of interstate sales, the simple act of presenting the uniform sales and tax resale certificate before any sale had proven invaluable again, setting the standard for every future deal.